Knowing when to engage a strategic plan or a business plan is critical. Understanding which to engage at different times is critically important. If you're struggling to understand the difference between the two, take a look at our prior video that we've offered or take a look at our blog post on our website. Either one will give you a good basis to understand the differences between strategic planning and business planning. As the CEO of NMBL Strategies, we see clients engaging plans at a variety of times, hopefully for the right reasons. Let's take a look at a few of the more common times that people really look to engage a business plan or a strategic plan. A new product launch. This happens all the time within for-profit and nonprofit organizations. Maybe you don't look at it as a product or a service offering, but that's really what you are doing as an organization when you're supporting a community for their needs. This is a great time to engage a business plan. Figuring out the specifics of your new product or service and whether it will work for your organization and whether it will really reach the community that you're desiring to support. A new partnership. This is a great opportunity for a joint business plan. Any joint venture needs to know the roles each organization will play, the anticipated outcomes, and the desired goals that each one wants to reach. Too often, partnerships, organizations working together fall off because they haven't really outlined what they need to define as success for their partnership. Leadership change. A strategic plan is a great time to look at during a leadership change. Look at the direction of the organization. Look at what's going on and what should be adjusted and refocused so that this new leader coming in can be put into as successful position as possible. One of the things that we often suggest to organizations is look at interim leadership. Don't just jump in with a new leader because you may need to reassess what key characteristics that leader should have as they're moving your organization forward. Environmental changes. This is a good time for a strategic plan. If you look at 2001, 2008, 2020, and 2021, from dot-com bursts to stock market crashes to pandemics, these all affect your organization for a variety of reasons, and you need to be able to adjust your organization to make sure that you're meeting the public in an appropriate way so that you can be successful. And then routinely you should be looking at a strategic planning process probably every 3 to 5 years. It used to be every 20 to 50, and we've continued to kind of move that down because we realize it is nearly impossible to truly plan for the next 50 years of an organization. And while your mission and your vision may remain consistent during a 20-year process, a lot of the other pieces to your strategic plan will change and adjust as you go. If you're going through any of these scenarios, reach out to NMBL Strategies today for assistance in making sure that you've reached your desired goals as you move your organization forward.